Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use multiple photos on iPhone wallpaper. So for you to be able to do that, you have to drag down your notification centers on your iPhone, then you long click on the empty space of it, then you click on this plus sign right here, then you click on it. Then this will actually take you down to where you can easily add a new wallpaper. Then from there you just click on the photo shovel. Once you click on photo shovel, then this option will give you an option for you to select dynamic for what photos that can shove in between your wallpaper. So right here you can easily pick from the use features photos. You can see these are the numbers of use features photos that I have. So I'm just going to use the select photos manually option, which will actually give me an option for me to pick photos based on my wants. So I'm just going to click on select photo manually. Then after that, then I'm just going to click on this, which is the all button. So I'm just going to click on all. Then from here I can easily scroll down and look for the pictures I want to use. So I'm just going to mark this and this together with this. So that makes 3 photos. You can see 3 photos selected. So I'm just going to click on add. Good. Then from here I can easily click on this option, and with this option I can select in between the 3 wallpaper. I'm just going to click again, so I can select between the 3 wallpaper. And if I want to configure this option, I can simply click on this 3 dot button. Then from here I can select when I want those 3 photos to shovel in between themselves. I can set it to be hourly or daily. So I'm just going to set it to be hourly. Is hourly. Then after that I'm just going to hit on done. I'm just going to hit on add. So after that, then I can set as wallpaper. If I want, I can also customize the home screen, but that's not what I want to do right now. So I'll just simply set the wallpaper, and boom, that's it. You can see that after 1 hour the pictures will shovel itself, and that is how to use multiple photos on iPhone wallpaper. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.